families are sealed in the temple and live righteously, those families can be together forever. But how about family members who's already dead? They can, through family history. Family history refers to identifying and learning about our ancestors. Aside from temple work and missionary work, family history is also a work that is commanded by the Lord. Ito po yung ginagawa natin upang mas makilala pa natin ang ating mga ninuno, mga relatives, at malaman natin kung saan ba tayo nagsimula. Providing ordinances for our deceased family members begins with researching your family history. How to start family history? First is you need to gather data. The best place to gather data is on your home. You may interview your relatives, kagaya ng ginawa ni Sister Elma.
Nagawa ko po yung family history sa pamamagitan po ng pagtanong sa aking mga magulang, kapatid at kamag-anak. Tapos, nung mga tinanong ko, isinulat ko po sa papel. Pagkatapos, inilagay ko po sa family tree.
You can ask stories, find records, or contact them online. Hi! Take note of every data that you gather. You may use this booklet to make it more organized. Remember, the most important data that you need to gather is the name of your ancestor, birthday, birthplace, date of death, and the place of death. You will need them to perform sacred ordinances inside the temple. Family history is family matters. Right, Sister Medicina?
Ang natutunan ko sa paggawa ng family history, dapat ang mga i-encode na mga pangalan ng mga ancestors ay dapat precise. At saka, dapat ang mga magkakamag-anak o kaya sa isang pamilya ay dapat mag-usap-usap para hindi magkaroon ng duplication. Katulad sa nangyari sa amin, minsan yung lolo at lola namin, 2 beses na gagawa ng ordination.
Yes, you need to help one another. Researching your family history with other family members can strengthen your understanding of who you are and help you feel closer to one another. Family history is important, right, Sister Esmeralda?
Sister, bakit po importante na gawin yung family history para po sa inyo?
Para po matulungan na mabinyagan ang aking mga ancestors sa The Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints.
Brothers and sisters, if we truly believe that families can be together forever, we will do our family history. So, start now!